up? So good to see you guys, even though I can't see you. I miss you. Look at our sad patches. I'm starting to get it cleaned up for the summer. You can see that all the walls, well, not all of them, but a lot of the walls are bare. So sad and lonely here. And blue. Whoops, you fell over. So sad and lonely here without you guys. Okay, let me see if I can get it to stand up again with the camera, I'm telling you. Oh, maybe. Alright, kind of. Just gonna cut off the top of my head now. Okay, let's get on with our lesson for today. Our essential question is, how can we work together to make our lives better? Here are oral vocabulary words. Conflict is a disagreement or problem between two or more people. Both children wanted to play with the ball, but they settled their conflict by taking turns. Let me see if I can fix this. There we go. Okay, the next word is fair. Something is reasonable and follows the rules. John did not think it was fair that his sister got a bigger cup of hot chocolate than he did. Fair. Let's see. Argument. Argument, a fight that uses words. The two friends had an argument about who won the game. So instead of it just being a fight that you would fight with your fists, this is a fight with just words. An argument. Risk. Risk, a danger or the possibility that something bad may happen. If you walk through deep mud, there is a risk that your shoe will get stuck. The next word is shift. Move something a little bit from one place to another. I will shift this chair to make room for another one. Okay, we're going to do our phonics lesson now, phonics. And we have a variant vowel, which means it's not going to say the U sound that we're used to, such as or you. It will make other sounds, but they're still known as the long U sound. So we're going to blend the words. Ood, food. Ooh, too. Ooh, new. So do you hear the sound ooh, but spelled differently this time, such as in two with the two O's, and then new, same sound, ooh, but with the EW that time, new. Ooh, moo. Oop, snoop. Room. Here's another way to spell that ooh sound. Ooh, rule. Ooh, grew. Oop, group. Youth. Oose, juice. And there's another way to spell that variant vowel. I with the ooh sound. Zoom. Blue. Tool. Truth. Okay, here's a review word. Painful. Endless. Hopeful. Useful. Clueless. So that's a compound word. Clueless. So clue sounds all by itself. Less. Clueless. All right, here's another compound word. Helpless. Okay, harmful. I'm not sounding it out. Harmful. Useless. I feel like we did that one already, didn't we? Oh no. Spoonful. Okay, now the words that end with the full are not compound because full is actually spelled with two L's. So that doesn't give us two separate words. So not a compound word there. Oh, how about this one though? Cloudless. Yes, cloudless. All right, let's read the sentences. Luke found glue at school. So we have two. We have glue and ool. We both have the variant sound of long U. Ruby used a spoon to stir the stew. So here we have spoon with the oo sound and stew with the oo sound. Okay, let's go on to our structural analysis. Today we have the suffixes full and less, which come at the end of the word. So let's read the word and add the suffix full, and then blend the new word, and let's talk about what it means and use it in a sentence. And then we'll repeat that with using less as the suffix. So we have pain. So if we added full at the end, it would be painful, painful. Hope, hopeful, hopeful. We forgot to use it in a sentence. So painful, you could say a shot is painful. Hopeful. I am hopeful that we will be out of quarantine soon. And useful. A pair of scissors is useful when cutting paper. And then the next word is harm. Harmful. Harmful. Let's see. Smoking cigarettes is harmful to your body. So now let's go back and use these words with less as the suffix. So painless. Painless. What is something that is painless? Laying out in the sunshine is painless. Hopeless. Hopeless. Oh, our classroom is hopeless and empty without you here. And then useless. What is useless? Oh, a dried out marker is useless when trying to write on the board. And then harmless means it won't hurt you. It's harmless. So, let's see. The medicine is harmless to your body when you have a headache. Okay, so let's go through our spelling words. Let me get my face out of the way. We have oon, moon. The moon shines at night. Oon, tune. Jan will play a tune on her guitar. Flew. The bird flew high in the sky. Blue. You can't see the picture. Blue. The flower is blue. Fruit. Fruit. An apple is my favorite fruit. Soup. I like to eat soup on a cold day. That's a review word. Toy. The baby likes to play. No, I'm sorry. Soup is not a review word, but toy is. The baby likes to play with his toys. Coin. Pete found a coin on the floor. See a penny, pick it up, and all day long you'll have good luck, right? Have you ever heard that saying? Enough. Enough. We had enough food to last 2 days. Door. The teacher will keep the door closed. Which it is right now. It's closed. The door is closed. Okay, let's go with our sort, even though I can't sort them when I'm videoing at the same time for some reason. So this week we have lots of ways to do our variant vowels. We have O-O, E-W, U-I, O-U, which is a review, just U, and then U-E. So tune, where would that go? That has the U consonant E. So they didn't put the U consonant E. I think we're looking for this one. I forgot to put the space in between. Flew. E-W, right there, right? E-U. Fruit. U-I. Soup. Ooh. O-U. And then moon. Double O. Okay. Let's go on to our high frequency words. Let's do our rhythm with them, okay? Answer, 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 answer. Brought, 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 brought. Like you brought cake to the party. Brought. Busy, 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 busy. Door, 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 door. Enough, 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 enough. Eyes, 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 eyes. Let's review last week's words. Above, build, fall, new. Remember that K is silent. New. Money, toward, Okay, let's read the sentences that are following. The bell rings. I open my eyes. Who is there, I ask. The quotation marks mean that someone is speaking at that time. We are, Gram and Gramps answer. I open the door. Are you and Dad busy? They ask. We brought lunch. We have enough food for all of us. Boy, that would be nice, someone to bring you lunch. Okay, let's go through our vocabulary words. Demand. Ask someone forcefully or strongly to do something. My parents demand that I do my homework. Emergency. Something that you did not expect and need to take care of right away. The police helped us during the emergency. Okay, now we have some more grammar. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that take place of nouns. So it could be a word like I. Instead of saying Miss Newkirk, you would say I. Or if you're a girl, you would say she. Or if you're a boy, you would say he. If you're talking about many people, you would say they or them. That's an example of pronouns. Pronouns start with a capital only when they're at the beginning of a sentence. You do not have to capitalize pronouns, only I. I is always capitalized. The pronoun I is always written with a capital letter. It stands for your own name. Okay, fix each sentence. I will use a broom to sweep. Obviously, we need a capital to start our sentence, and also because it's the word I, broom does not need to be capitalized, so we switch that. Jude and I go to Miss Duke's room for math. So here you have they fixed Jude. Sorry, they did not fix Jude. They fixed I, capital on Miss, and then the rest looks good. Okay, I hope you have a great day. I will see you for our lesson tomorrow. Bye.